Hey guys, Nature and Vlog Guy here. Welcome back to another video. And today is just a little update on my Monarch Caterpillar. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys an anatomy, little anatomy thing. And then I'll be showing you guys him looking for a spot to J-hang, which he'll be doing now, and I'll be showing in the next video. So stay tuned. Alright, so I just transferred him on New Leaf. And I was just thinking, because I never get to really show you guys him. He's curled up in a self-defense mechanism right now. That's playing dead. Except birds and predators don't eat him. But he'll unfurl soon. But now is a good time, I feel, to show you guys. Oh, look. There he goes. So, if he wanders off the leaf too much, I'll just move him back on. It's not good to move them too much. You want to make sure you don't give them any diseases. But, here you can see that he has a head. I don't think he has eyes, but he has some sort of I don't know, like light sensing or something like that. And the feelers there, the tendrils, they, as you can see, he's kind of touching the ground with them. And now he's frozen because he sensed that I'm here. But, you can see that he kind of touches the ground with him when he moves. That's only a behavior that you see in the 5th instar. No other instars, the tendrils are just not long enough. And you could also see he has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of, no, 4 pairs of pro legs. And then the true legs in the front. And there's 6. There's 6 true legs in the front. I think that's what they're called. I'm not particularly sure. And then he has a little silk, I forgot what it's called on the back as well. And, of course, where the frass comes out. And, you see in the 5th instar, they have their yellow and black and white stripes all throughout their body. And, I think personally that monarchs are very beautiful, like just their coloration, but their coloration isn't actually meant to be beautiful. It's meant to scare off predators because they're poisonous, because the milkweed plant is toxic. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put him back in the container now because he needs to eat so I can go into chrysalis. But I just thought I'd show you guys him. So, there you have it. As you can see, he is currently at the top, and he is searching for a place to J-hang. And then he's gonna wander around there for a little bit, and just make sure he finds a nice sturdy place without any motion. Then he's going to make a silk button and J-hang. So it's only been about 2 days, but he was pretty big when I found him, and honestly, I won't, my god, I can't talk. Sorry. But I'm not surprised that he's going to J-hang. He was pretty big. So yeah, we're gonna have a butterfly pretty soon, and then we're gonna find more. And yeah. So, guys, I'll take you guys along with me on that journey. So, oh, he stopped. I think he sensed my motion. They can do that with little tiny hairs on their heads. So, I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording so I can leave him to do his thing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. And, well, actually, not for more videos. I'm going to keep on making them, but just leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out. And, oh, there he goes again. And so, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Next video will be J-hanging and chrysalis. And then the next video will be the butterfly. So, stay tuned. We got a lot coming. So, see you guys later. Bye.